One of the things that I love to make is really, really easy salads. My bean salad is so easy. It's the kind of thing you want to just keep in the refrigerator, make the day before, and even have it as a snack or pour it over tossed salads. What I've done here is I've taken a can of cannoli beans, a can of chickpeas, and a can of red kidney beans, and I have drained and washed them. You can take any kind of beans that you want and mix them up together. And what I did is I put them in this bowl. Now I'm going to add a can of corn, and I'm not draining the corn because we do need a little bit of liquid in this particular salad. I also have a green pepper that I've chopped up, an onion that I've chopped up, about 2 tablespoons of parsley that I've chopped up and from the food processor. You can chop it by hand. I like the food processor. It makes it a lot easier. And for my dressing, I'm putting in a whole lemon. Love to squeeze my lemon with a lemon squeezer because I don't want to get the seeds in. Okay, that's 1.5 lemons. Salt. Probably about a heaping teaspoon of salt. Probably about a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. I like to put cumin in. You can see that I like cumin in my recipes. And this is probably about a teaspoon of cumin. And then for color, I'm putting in a jar of pimentos. That will really add some spice to this recipe. And that's it. I'll mix it up. And you'll see the beautiful, beautiful colors in this. There's red, there's the colors from the beans, there's the yellow from the corn, the green from the parsley. And of course you can add more spices to make this more flavorful if you want to. But I find that this basic recipe, oh, I forgot. I need the olive oil. Just a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Just to bring out those flavors. And I'm going to have a taste. Oh my God, that is so good. So if you want something that you can make easily and put in the refrigerator, try my bean salad.